Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know your domain name in SiteGround in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for siteground.com. Now, once you are on this page, simply click on the login option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then provide your login credentials and you simply need to log into your SiteGround first. Now, once you're successfully logged in order to find your existing domain name, you just have to simply select the home tab, and over here you will see a bunch of different options like new domain, existing domain, temporary domain. So since you want to know your existing domain name, select the option of existing domain and click on the select option. Now, as soon as you click on the select option, you will be landed on the next page where you will see all of the list of your existing domains here, and you can manage these from this page as well. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.